Location targeting. Friends, if you want to get results from your Facebook ads and you want to get return on the budget you're spending, you can get the maximum utilization of it. Location targeting. Today you have to learn it properly. Today, this video will give you all the information, big and small, related to location targeting. At a practical level, we will teach you how you can target locations by using different and alternative methods, and how you can reach your perfect audience. Friends, this video is one of the most important videos for Facebook ads, and it will be useful to you in every single ad campaign. So learn this properly and practice what you are taught well. Let's go to the next part. Before we move on to the video, there is an important update. Friends, for the first time, Marketing Fundas have launched a fusion course that includes artificial intelligence and digital marketings. Fusion, which means how we can learn this to use AI for digital marketing. And we can increase productivity. How can we use it? By integrating it. So this is a future skill going forward. If you want to build career and grow your business multiple times, so you should know this. Call on the given number on WhatsApp to get information on the course. Let's move on to the video.
Today we will talk about Facebook ads, location targeting, how to do it. Friends, for location targeting, it's very much important to spend your ads balance that is there. If you are running ads and you are not targeting a specific audience, if you are not targeting a specific location where you need to do targeting, like you are running it online, an institute or coaching center for students, you are running an online institute, then for audience targeting, a specific location is very important. Friends, if you are doing location targeting properly, then your balance will be less and you will get more supportable leads. You will get more unique leads. Believe me. So let's get started. So first of all, open the account. Click on the Ads Manager. Click on Create Campaign. Then we will choose any one objective. I'm using awareness here. And continue. Just like location targeting option you will find in awareness ad set. So in the ad set, you are given the option of location targeting. So let's go directly to the ad set and we will choose direct location targeting. Scroll down. Here you can see, friends, you have the location targeting option available. It is given to you in the audience control. You will find location targeting in this section properly given. You will choose from here and make changes that you have to make. You can see the estimated audience here that is showing in India through Facebook right now. This is your estimate. If I change the location, like I choose Delhi, you can see that your estimated audience size has decreased. The audience you have is from Delhi. You can see this properly. You can target the audience in Delhi. Friends, in Delhi audience, you can see this area is Noida, Ghaziabad and Delhi area. This area, this whitish area is completely included in Delhi. This complete area is targeting Delhi. This one, friends, right now, I only want to target Delhi's audience. So you have one option which comes here, include and exclude option. I want to exclude Ghaziabad here. If you search for Ghaziabad here, Ghaziabad will be excluded. Ghaziabad area is that 40 kilometer where default Facebook gives you an area of 40 kilometer. From 1 kilometer to 40 kilometer. Here I will select only. Select 5 kilometer. Here, okay. You can see, friends, here this Delhi area is excluded. How do we include this? Just you don't do anything. click on the drop pin, but before that you have to remove the exclusion and click on include. Now click on drop pin and right next to it, you'll drop the pin and the area selected will be reduced a bit right here. What happened here? Now the audience of Ghaziabad is removed from here and now you can see this new audience. I would also like to reduce this further to show you a more specific audience. So you can see now that it will now select the location. Select the area or the audience who are living in that location. Where you are now selecting from the option here, you understand those people who are living there or present there means those ones who live there permanently, local people of that location, or the visitors in that location who are visiting there, whether they are from UP user, that user is in Delhi when I am running ads, so he will be targeted because he is searching for the same product on Facebook. Or if someone using Facebook often will see my product, he will see my ad. Now he can see. So friends, here you can use this to target any other audience also, which is from any other state, but now present in your city where you are targeting your audience. If you are doing the proper target, in that target audience, there will be a user from that niche who came from anywhere. You can also show your ad to them. Friends, here is another option of browse, which is very important. If you want to target countries, then any country completely, then click on countries. And you can see here, every country is given, which is worldwide. It's given here. Now you can target any country from here. If you select all, it will take all countries. The next option you have is the region. If you want to target by region wise, like if you want to target free trade areas, app store regions, then you can target a region also. And one more important option is saved location, means you can target your location as well. You can select it as an audience, save it and create a list like we save an audience, right? The saved audience. And we can save that audience for a particular ad. It makes our work easier so that we can easily use that same audience for the next ad. Did you understand how easy it makes the work? We can use location as well here. So we will click on create list option here, location type. It's important. Here you have 6 options. You can target the countries. Country or region can be targeted DMAS. That means designated market area, which I just showed you. You can target it. You can target town and cities, postal codes or pin codes, and you can target it through the address. Like I want to target through postal codes in that area. I am searching India. Now the default country given here is USA. We'll select India. And here we will be entering its code. I am entering Agra's code. And clicking on match location, you can see as soon as I enter the pin code, it shows town city and shows country region. Specifically, now we can save this ad location and Agra as the audience. Save list. If you create the next ad for your audience in which we only need to target the audience, then that target audience for which I have given the pin codes for Agra, you can also target that location by selecting it.
Friends, I am hoping that you liked this video very much. If you really liked this video, please do let me know in the comment section. If you have any queries, you can also write them to us in the comment section. If you, my friends, are liking our content that we create, please do share the channel with everyone. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you don't miss the important courses. And don't miss out on our important videos. Thank you for watching Marketing Fundas.